I am Lucas Bittencourt, and this is my final project for the Introduction to Digital Systems class. It's a 4-bit processor that reads data from a programmable read-only memory and processes the information using a 2 words 4-bit register file and an arithmetic logic unit with an accumulator. The processed data is displayed using an ASCII display. This project's idea is to read the PROM and display some text and calculations on the ASCII display. Also, 2 different subtractions are implemented in this processor, using software and using hardware. The software subtraction is implemented by doing an exclusive OR between 3 and F, then adding 1 to the result, and finally adding the resulting negative number to another one. The hardware subtraction is implemented by adding 4 exclusive ORs and a subtraction enabler to the 4-bit full adder subcircuit. The subcircuits implemented on this project are also a 1-bit full adder, a 4-bit exclusive OR, a 4-bit OR, a 4-bit AND, a 1-bit register, a 4-bit register, the arithmetic and logic unit with an accumulator, and a 2 words and 4-bit register file. This is my final project, and thanks for watching.